Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Sis Yed. Happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, good memories, and enjoy your day. More blessings to come, and always stay safe. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Yed ko. More birthdays to come. The blast mo.
Happy birthday, Jed. Wishing you more birthdays to come and more blessings to receive. Naway palagi kang ingatan at gabayan ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Naway palagi kang pagpalain, pinansyal, physical, tsaka material na bagay. God bless you always. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sis Yed. Happy birthday. Thank you sa friendship and everything. Thank you sa kulitan sa CB, sa kwentuhan, tawanan, and sa makukulit mong pa-bring me. Happy birthday, and salamat mo. Dito lang din ako palagi para sa'yo. Alam mo yan. Mag-ingat ka palagi. God bless you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Yed. Happy birthday, Yed. Happy birthday, happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Sis Yed. More candles to blow and more blessings to come. Wish ko sa'yo, sana lagi kang mag-iingat, always in a good health, at bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para makasama mo pa ang iyong pamilya. At sana mahanap mo na rin ang iyong the one or ka forever. Charot, Sis Yed. Ingat ka palagi dyan, halagaan ang sarili, at maraming salamat sa friendship. Sana wag ka magbabago kung ano yung tunay mong ugali. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan, pagpatuloy mo ang pagiging mabait at palakaibigan. At again, happy birthday, Sis Yeda. Ako ang bumabati, coming from Angel ng Taiwan. Love you.
Happy birthday, Yed. Wishing you all the best in life, more birthdays to come, and sana more bring me's to come, Papa. Dahil nag-iipon ako ng maraming sira dito sa bahay. Nag-enjoy ako sa pa-bring me, Yed. Ayan, sana mabigyan ka pa ng maraming taon at kalakasan sa iyong buhay. Happy birthday once again, Yed.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rai Rai. Have a blast.
Hi, Sis Yed. Ito kakanta ako ng Hebrew, pero nagmi-mix siya ng English. Happy birthday to you. Kalau mo gets mo. It's not gold been good at a poker. Happy birthday to you. Shisha nimya bro. Bigivisen kavi oser always. Yeah, ladim. Miss Dagnim. Oh, Shana. Overet. Ay, tama na. Ay, sis Yed, ito medyo hindi pa okay. Alam mo na, galing pa sa sakit. Anyway, happy birthday to you. I want you to know how much I trust you. And I'm very grateful that you're one of my friend na nakakachika o nakakamarites. I'm so thankful to share my life sa'yo. Kasi sa'yo ko nag-vent ng mga frustrations ko, yung ko, at yung mga kadramahan ko minsan sa buhay. At syempre, hindi lang naman yan. Syempre, may mga happy thoughts din, yung tawanan natin. At may pa, masasik lang, December word. But trust me, it means that you. Happy birthday, sis. I love you. Bless.
To the ones whose laughter brightens the darkest day, whose support flows endlessly, quartering through each challenge. Today, it's all about you. We celebrate you. If an ECG composed of Q or SE, you are the TLM, the caffeine that fuels our mornings, the laughter that lifts our spirits, and the game master who turns every challenge into a story we'll never forget. Ang nag-iisang game master ng epic na Bring Me. Handa na ba kayong sirain ang mga gamit nyo? Ay nako, si Yed lang nakakagawa niyan. But beyond the humor and dedication, you are a family. You ease our longings, lighten the burdens we silently bear, and remind us that no one in this journey stands alone. Thank you for your unwavering support, your warmth, and your heart. May your birthday be as full of joy, love, and laughter as you have given to all of us every single day. Happy birthday, Yeda, and to more winnings. So Bring Me. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Patid! So, sana po masaya ka sa birthday mo at thank you din po sa lahat ng mga kulitan natin sa CB at salamat din po sa parating pag-send ng mga win namin. Kahit busy ka po, sinisend mo pa rin po. Pero sana po makasali ulit ako sa Bring Me mo, Ate Yed. Di na kasi ako nakakasali kasi sa madaling araw ka na po nagpapa-G. So, happy birthday po ulit, Ate Yed.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yeah, happy birthday, Eda. And sana enjoy mo tong araw na to dahil it's your birthday. And take care of yourself always. Wishing you a day filled with joy, laughter, and all the things that make you happy. May your birthday be as wonderful as you are. God bless and happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ganap. Pasensya na ngayon lang ako ano, marami kasi kanina ano dito maingay. Pero ngayon, okay na. At medyo tahimik na dito at dito ako sa mga maraming mga puno. Yan lang. Ano man ako? Ay, ano pala, una sa lahat, magandang araw mula sa lahat. Happy pala kay happy birthday mula kay happy birthday kay sino ganito, happy birthday kay Miss Ma'am Yed ulit, happy birthday kay Miss Ma'am Yed at okay lang at maging masaya sa iyong karawan at more birthdays to come at always good health. Salamat sa lahat. Kaya alas muna dali. Ano ba yung ito pala yung pan. Sige, okay na sa happy birthday. Happy ulit kay Miss Mama Hida po naman sa kanyang ano sa kanyang ngayon karawan. And blessings to come. Yun lang. Kailan na birthday ko.
Happy birthday, Day. Wish you all the best in your life. Your good